Hello everyone. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to download Unreal Engine. So open up your web browser and just search for Unreal Engine 5 and click on Unreal Engine. Now to get started with Unreal Engine, you need to register to the Epic Games account. You can use various forms to register and get approved. And once you've done that, you should be able to log into Epic Games and have access to Unreal Engine. But first, you need to download the Epic Games Launcher. So create an account using your email to validate, download the Epic Games Launcher and double click on the Epic Games Launcher and click install. This is going to install the Epic Games Launcher, and it's a shorthand tool to let you have access to Unreal Engine and some of its features. So here I'm just specifying a location where I want to install the Epic Games Launcher. I'm going to set that to my local drive C and then click OK just to validate that installation. Now, once we've clicked OK to validate our installation, Epic Games Launcher is going to begin installing the launcher in our specific location. The launcher is not the game. It's not the Unreal Engine. So after the launcher has finished validating, it's going to launch up a screen where we'll see our Unreal Engine being validated. Once that's done, it's going to open up and it'll give us an opportunity to download Unreal Engine. All right, once Epic Games Launcher is done, we're going to see a new pop-up window. What we're going to do is to go to the section where it says Unreal Engine, click on that, and what we're going to do now is to download Unreal Engine. The drop-down arrow gives you other options, but I'll just click on Unreal Engine, accept all the licensing terms. You first have to check and tick the licensing terms and then click install, and you can specify a location to install Unreal Engine. And once that's done, you should have the Unreal Engine installed on your system based on the location you specified it. Now once that's done, you can always click on launch. Now note, Unreal Engine is also going to install extra additional sections or objects that it finds available that's going to help you in that journey. So I'm using the Windows system, and I'll just click accept to launch Unreal Engine and make sure that the firewall is not preventing me from using the program. So I'm just going to add that exception, and once that's done, congratulations, you have Unreal Engine installed.